Hi, I'm Adam, and this is how you reset your TPLink HS100 and HS110. Now let's get it going. As you see right here, I'm showing you that I have it connected in my app, and you could go press the setting button up here, which will reset it. Hold it down for around 10 seconds, and it'll start blinking. Keep holding it down. Then it'll start blinking more rapidly, and this point you can let go. And it will slowly reboot itself. And as you can see, this is the previous name that I had of it, and it no longer connects because the connection has been severed. Now you wait for the lights to change, and at this point you can start using it and reconnecting it. If you want to check out more videos I have a TP-Link buyer's guide to check out what you want to buy of the different TP-Links. I also have a comparison video with the Wemo Mini and the TP-Link Mini if you want to check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and please consider subscribing for more tech and gaming videos.